Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best sublimation printer on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Epson Workforce WS7710. The Workforce WS7710 by Epson has to be the top recommendation when it comes to the best sublimation printer. The unit is equipped with the Precision Core technology, which guaranteed impeccable color accuracy and speed of generating 40 million dots per second. This excellent print and image quality comes at a relatively reasonable price tag. The printer can give wide and vivid displays of 13 by 19 inches dimension. The borderless printing ensures you get professional-looking large images without the white boundaries at the edges. The printer consumes 80% less power than color laser printers. The unit is pretty versatile with the 250 maximum sheet capacity at the front tray, a rear tray for envelopes, and two-sided auto duplex mechanism. This saves you time, paper, and cost as well. The 7710 delivers fast performance, brilliant color accuracy, and vivid displays. It's great for printing t-shirts. The wireless features of this sublimation printer are really incredible, allowing you to operate from any faraway corner. You just need to download the app on your mobile, tablet, or computer, and a few taps will do the work for you from wherever in the world you are. There are both wired and wireless networking available. It includes Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and NFC, so you get pretty extensive connectivity options. At number 2, Epson Expression HDXP 15000. Epson comes with yet another top-of-the-line sublimation printer with the promise of delivering professional Ultra HD image quality. I found it well materialized. This small sublimation printer is not just convenient with its compact design, but excels in all the departments of a sublimation printer. Hence, a perfect choice for those who don't want to put up with compromised features at all. Talking about the resolution and the print quality, this wide-format inkjet printer offers vivid and immersive printouts with 5760 by 1440 dpi. The borderless prints have dimensions up to 13 by 19 inches. The quality prevails, despite the material you are printing on, whether it's paper or fabric. The text and black and white photos are also enhanced with smooth gradations. With the 2.4-inch color LCD display, you can go through the options easily. Wireless access is available, allowing you to operate the printer using your mobile or tablet. There is automated duplex printing, a 50-sheet rear specialty tray for specialty paper, and a front tray with a 200-sheet capacity. As for the speed, the Epson Expression Photo HD can print 9 pages per minute of colored prints and 9.2 pages per minute of monochrome prints. At number 3, HP Smart Tank Plus 551. The HP Smart Tank Plus 551 is a smart-looking yet sturdy sublimation printer, an absolutely great substitute to heavy bulky models that take up too much of the space on your desk. This all-in-one printer can scan and copy and print with a resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi, delivering crisp and detailed graphics with minimum distortions. The HP sublimation printer ensures a promising speed, capable of printing 11 pages per minute and copying 2 pages per minute for colored pages and 10 pages per minute for monochrome documents. The speed might differ according to the type of document, though, like for A4 paper size, it takes 5 pages per minute. It supports multiple paper size 3 by 5 inches, 4 by 6 inches, and 5 by 7. The print quality is pretty good with clear designs and text, but I find smaller font size in need of improvement though. The fine photo quality provides rich and vivid colors to the images. The unit comes packaged with enough ink to use for 2 years. Moreover, the printer works on ink tank technology that makes it a cost-effective option as well. Unlike standalone ink cartridges, the ink tanks in the printer have higher ink capacity and are easy to refill with resealable ink bottles. You can work undisturbed by having to deal with the run-out ink frequently. The amount of ink can also be monitored from the outside. Along with the dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, you can print on the go using your mobile or tablet with the HP Smart Mobile Printer app. At number 4, Epson Workforce WS7720. The Epson WS7720 is another one of the best sublimation printers for t-shirts. This model has no major differences from the 7710, has all the top-of-the-line qualities as in the latter, except for the sheet capacity. The sheet capacity of the front tray is double what you get in 7710, 500 rather than 250. There is a 125 sheet output tray plus a separate rear feed for printing specialty paper, like envelopes. The Precision Core technology ensures high quality and detailed prints due to the high-density print chip. There is an extremely low rate of distortions in the image, plus, this impeccable quality is delivered at a rapid speed. This wide-format sublimation printer gives 13 by 19 inches borderless prints without the white margins. The 4.3 inches LCD touchscreen is easy to use and works just as it is advertised, smoothly and responsively. The model provides economic benefits as well as it consumes 80% less power than laser printers. The Auto two-sided print further saves the printing costs, saving the paper and space on your desk. The unit provides wired as well as wireless networking options with both the Wi-Fi and Ethernet options available. Also, it's compatible to be used with your mobile or tablet. At number 5, Brother MFC J995DW. This Brother investment tank printer is an all-rounder with a number of features available that greatly come in handy to small business owners. Being a printer, fax, and scanner all at once, the unit offers multitasking and convenience at a reasonable price. The most noticeable feature that is specific to this printer is that it already comes filled with ink that is enough to be used for up to a year. So, you can go undisturbed and without bothering about changing the ink for a good whole year. The high-capacity ink cartridges make this printer a cost-effective option. The most intelligent feature in this printer, one that I also found much needed, is the visual monitoring of the amount of ink that is used and is remained. This makes it highly unlikely to run out of ink unexpectedly, which can be quite frustrating otherwise if you are in the middle of something. The unit delivers images that have accurate details and attractive colors and textures. Scanning and printing are made much easier with the automatic document feeder. The Auto Doc feeder saves you the time to replace each paper of a lengthy document manually. Other than that, you get automated duplex printing and wireless access. You can use the printer from your computer or mobile. The 2.7 inches colored LCD touchscreen makes navigating through the options easier. The networking options include Ethernet and NFC connectivity.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.